Hello and welcome to the PWAC LEVO e-learning course. In this course you will learn how to repair the LEVO hook. This chapter deals with the repairing of the light module and the magnet module. To exchange the magnet module, please use a screwdriver. Please make sure that you have the right bit size. For the magnet module, you need a Torx 30. To exchange the light module, you need a screwdriver with a Torx 30 and you need a wrench with the size 8. Now our technician will demonstrate how to exchange the magnet and/or light module. At the beginning, the cable of the light and/or magnet unit will be disconnected. For this purpose, our technician removes the electronic unit a little bit so that he has easy access to the cables. The electronic unit is fixed with an additional sealing, so it can be that the removing process needs a little bit more force. In any case, please be careful when you perform some works on the electronic unit. After the cables are disconnected, the cables will be slipped through the housing and the counterpart of the safety latch can be removed. In case that your hook is equipped with a magnet, please take care about your fingers when you remove the counterpart. When you have removed the counterpart, you can exchange the light unit and/or magnet unit. To exchange the magnet unit, you need to exchange the entire counterpart. To exchange the light unit, you can unscrew the light unit with a wrench size 8. Now we start with the assembling of the light unit. As the first step, the light unit will be inserted in the counterpart of the safety latch. When the light unit is screwed in the counterpart can be fixed on the housing again. Take care to insert the cables of the light and/or magnet unit in the right holes. See also the placing on the counterpart. Again, please take care about your fingers. After the counterpart is fixed, the cables will be slipped through the housing and connected again with the electronic unit. In case that your hook will be upgraded with a light module or a magnet module, an additional setting needs to be done in the PWAC Levo Manager software.